Welcome to Techilipat channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to enable or disable dark mode in Microsoft Excel. Now the first thing you have to do is open your Microsoft Excel. From here, if I open a new document, now if you want to enable dark mode, just click on file, and here at the bottom you can see options. Then just click here, then click on general, and here you can see office theme option. Then click on this arrow icon, then select black from here, then click on OK, and it's done. Now you can see the dark theme is enabled in Microsoft Excel. Now if you want to disable dark mode, go to options again, then click on general. Now from here just click on this icon, then select white from here, then click on OK, and it's done. And that is how you can enable or disable dark mode in Microsoft Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.